Hello students, today we are going to solve numerical of rise and fall. Question is given as reading given in the table below were recorded in a level operation from 1 to 10. Reduce the level by rise and fall method and apply appropriate check. The benchmark of first point is given as 68.223 meter, that is the RL of benchmark. Now in this table, station, chainage, backside reading, intermediate side reading, foresight reading is given. Now at chainage of 0 meter there will be a benchmark whose RL is 68.223 meter. At chainage of 20 meter there will be first change point, that is CP1. At chainage of 100 meter there will be second change point, that is CP2. At chainage point of 140 meter there will be third change point, that is CP3. So we will solve this question by the rise and fall method. Now we will prepare a table like this in which rise and fall column is shown here. Okay. Now the benchmark RL is already given, that is 68.223. Now we have to connect our survey by marking it with the arrows like this. That is our first survey from first instrument station. That is the second survey from the second instrument station like this. That is the third survey from the third instrument station, and that is the fourth survey from the fourth instrument station. Now the first RL is already given here, we don't need to calculate the rise and fall value. When we subtract 0.597 minus 3.132, it comes out to be minus 2.535. Whenever the value comes out as negative, then we have to write it in fall column. So it will be equals to 2.535 meter. Okay. Now on subtracting 2.587 and 1.565, it comes out as 1.022. So we will write it as 1.022 in the rise column. Now we will subtract 1.565 and 1.911. The value comes out as negative, that is minus 0.346. So we will write here as 0.346. On subtracting 1.911 and 0.376, we will get positive value as 1.535. So we will write it as 1.535. Similarly, on subtracting 0.376 and 1.522, we will get negative value, that is 1.146. So we will write 1.146 here. Okay students. Now on subtracting 2.244 minus 3.771, we will get negative value as minus 1.527. So we will write here as minus 1.527. Now we will subtract 3.771 and 1.985. We will get positive value, that is 1.786. So we will write 1.786 here. On subtracting 1.334 and 0.601, we will get positive value, that is 0.733. Similarly, on subtracting 0.601 and 2.002, we will get negative value as 1.401. On adding all the backside reading, we will get 6.762. Similarly, on adding all the foresight value, we will get 8.641. Similarly, on adding all the rise value, we will get 5.076, and on adding all the fall value, we will get 6.955. Now we want to compute the value of RL, so we need to add all the rise and fall with its sign. So the RL of station 2 will be equals to 68.223 minus 2.535, because it is the value of fall, so we had to add it with negative sign, that is 68.223 minus 2.535. It will be equals to 65.688. Similarly, for the calculation of RL of station 3, we need to add 65.688 plus 1.022 because it is the value of rise. So we will get 66.71. Similarly, 66.71 minus 0.346, it will be equals to 66.364. Similarly, 66.364 plus 1.535, we will get 67.899. On adding 67.899 minus 1.146, we will get 66.753. Similarly, 66.753 minus 1.527, we will get 65.226. On adding 65.226 plus 1.786, we will get 67.012 meter. Similarly, on adding 67.012 plus 0.733, we will get 67.745 meter. Similarly, on adding 67.745 minus 1.401, we will get 66.344 meter. Now we have to check this calculation, for which we have the check like this, that is summation of back side minus summation of foresight is equals to last RL minus first RL is equals to summation of rise minus summation of fall. Now we have all the values, that is summation of backside will be equals to 6.762 minus 8.641. It will be equals to 66.344 minus 68.223 is equals to summation of rise, that is 5.076 minus 6.955. On solving this, we will get the value as minus 1.879 is equals to minus 1.879 is equals to minus 1.879. That is, all the values are same. So we had calculated the RL correctly and we had solved this numerical correctly. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.